So you all went through the first module, and now we're going to jump on to the second module. The first module was to kind of set you up to understand what to expect out of stock market and how to kind of get the base approach. That was the whole objective of first module, and I hope before you kind of really get into going through the second module, you have taken those actions what we had listed. It's very important to take that actions, because once you complete those actions, you will start to see your approach in learning, one, and second your approach to trading in itself will have a different dimension. So trust what I'm saying and give it a try. If you've still not done that, pause this, go back, complete the video, complete your actions, and then you can kind of jump back into learning. If you have done, congratulations, great going. Now let's kind of jump on to the second module. In this second module, we're going to talk everything about investing in stock market. Now, we understood in the previous previous model, that market can be approached either through investments or investing as an investor mindset or as a trader mindset. So you can both have different ways and means of doing. It is not that one is better than the other. Never. If you ask me which is good, which is bad, it's like asking which food is good. All food is good. As far as it is nutritious, the food is good. It's your personal choice. Some of us may like South Indian, some of us may like North Indian, some of us may like Andhra cuisine, and some of us may like something else. So it's never about which is good, which is bad. Each one has its pros and cons, which we will try to understand, and then you can kind of approach both, right? So in this module, you will learn all about how to kind of approach investing, and what are the ways of investing in stock market, and how to kind of really kind of pick what kind of scripts and what are the avenues of investing. So what is that? We will kind of learn. So before I go there, let me ask you this. Have you been investing? Have you invested in stock markets in the past? If you have invested, type in the comments, yes, investing. If you have invested, type in the comment, yes, investing. If you have never invested, if you have never got into the market and never done any kind of investments in stock markets, type in yet to begin. Type in yet to begin. Awesome. And while you kind of go through this, also start thinking about all the investments which you have made, and what is their position currently, and how are they doing. So have that in your view, and then it may help you to go back and rejig some of them. So what is that we will learn in this module? In this module, you will learn, of course, what is investing. That's the first thing what you will kind of learn deeply. And why should you be investing in the markets? Why investing is important, and what are the great things about that, and how to approach investing, and all about it, and how to kind of go, what are the instruments, everything, and then specifically we'll talk about the instruments, and at the end we'll talk about what is it take for you to be an investor. That is what we will kind of learn entirely in this entire module. So now your learning in this module will have some amount of theory, because investing is like that, and the subject itself is like that. So the best thing for you to do is to make notes. So I told you even in the last one, here also I would urge that you make notes, make as much comments as possible, and participate. The moment you start participating and making notes, you will see your learning is going deeper. Okay, so let's kind of jump on in my next video about the first subsection within this module. See you in the next video.